Hello friends. Greetings and hearty welcome to my channel. This will be a different video but sure will be an interesting one. Across millennia, India has nurtured a treasury of wisdom, teachings not just for saints and scholars, but for every human being seeking peace, purpose, and balance. Today, let's rediscover 5 timeless lessons from ancient India and see how they guide modern living. Ancient Indian knowledge covers spirituality, health, ethics, ecology, and community life. These insights, though thousands of years old, whisper guidance that is surprisingly relevant today. In this journey, we'll explore 5 guiding lights: balance in life, the art of mindfulness, harmony with nature, living with purpose, and the strength of community. The first timeless teaching is balance, the art of moderation. Ancient teaching elaborates the need of having balance in all aspects. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna emphasizes a simple truth: eat in moderation, sleep in moderation, work in moderation. True strength lies in self-control and equanimity. Today, in a world where corporate culture admires the overworked, this lesson feels urgent. Think of a young professional drowning in deadlines and then discovering the power of scheduling digital detox hours each week. Balance restores energy, and with energy comes creativity. The second timeless teaching, mindfulness, the practice of being fully present. And meditation. For centuries, Indian sages practiced dhyana, meditation, to calm the wandering mind. By training awareness, they discovered inner freedom that no external chaos could disturb. Today, meditation is a billion-dollar industry. Tech companies like Google train employees in mindfulness. And ordinary people use apps like Calm or Headspace or Miracle of Mind to start every morning with a few minutes of silence. A practice born in the forests of India now resets the minds of those in concrete offices. The third lesson flows like the sacred rivers: reverence for nature. In India, rivers were mothers, trees were shelters, animals were companions in life's journey. This respect wasn't symbolic, it was survival, ecology before ecology had a name. Fast forward to today, when climate change knocks at our doors. Solar panels on city rooftops echo the ancient devotion to the sun. Sustainable living, recycling, and plant-based diets, all modern environmental trends are, in essence, rediscoveries of ancient reverence. The fourth lesson is about living with purpose, dharma. In the Mahabharata, Krishna tells Arjuna, focus only on your duty, not on the fruits of action. Dharma means doing what is right, even when it's difficult, even when recognition is absent. Consider a modern entrepreneur. Tempted by shortcuts and unethical gains, yet choosing integrity over profit. He may sacrifice speed today, but builds something deeper: trust, brand, and respect. That is dharma in action. The fifth lesson celebrates togetherness, the strength of family, community, and kinship. The Upanishads remind us, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. In ancient Indian villages, celebrations, meals, and responsibilities were shared. Happiness wasn't private, it was collective. In a hyper-connected digital age, this lesson resurfaces. Whether it's thousands joining open source software projects or neighbors volunteering in NGOs, community is where we heal, grow, and thrive. Let's revisit the 5 timeless lessons: balance in all things, mindfulness to center the self, deep respect for nature, dharma or purpose-driven living, and the power of community. Start small. Begin your day with a 5-minute reflection. Eat and work in balance. Choose eco-friendly habits. Let your values guide decisions. And take time to nurture your relationships. These tiny steps weave wisdom into daily life. Ano bhadrah kratvo yantu vishwato dabdhaso aprita sudbhidah deva no yatha sadamid vrudhe asanna prayuvo rakshitaro dive dive. To welcome good ideas, wisdom, and positive actions from all directions, and to be preserved and guided by higher powers so that life and understanding are ever growing and secure. Thank you for joining this journey through ancient Indian wisdom. May these lessons inspire your modern life, just as they have shaped countless lives across centuries. If these timeless teachings resonated with you, do share this video, subscribe for more wisdom journeys, and comment below which of these ancient teachings you liked most.